Hello everyone, welcome to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. Question of title to an immovable property in a suit under Section 6 of the Specific Relief Act is relevant, irrelevant, both depending upon the facts of the case and none of these. Correct answer is option second, that is irrelevant, because Section 6 of Specific Relief Act 1963 talks about the suit by person dispossessed of immovable property. Now let us see the question number second. An injunction can be granted to prevent the breach of a contract the performance of which would not specifically enforced. Option second, to prevent a continuing breach in which the plaintiff has acquiesced. Option third, to restrain any person from applying to a legislative body. And option four, none of these. Correct answer is none of these. Question number 3. Mandatory injunction is governed by, correct answer is Section 39 of the Specific Relief Act. Section 39 of the Specific Relief Act talks about the mandatory injunctions. Mandatory injunction is when to prevent the breach of an obligation it is necessary to compel the performance of certain acts which the court is capable of enforcing. The court may in its discretion grant an injunction to prevent the breach complained of and also to compel performance of the requisite acts. Now let us see the question number 4. A suit of declaration without seeking consequential relief is barred by, correct answer is Section 34 of the Specific Relief Act. Section 34 of Specific Relief Act talks about the discretion of court as to declaration of status or right. Question number 5. Mandatory injunction is the nature of restitution, prohibition, both first and second, none of these. Correct answer is third, both restitution and prohibition. Question number 6. Contract for sale of a Maruti Ciaz car can be specifically enforced, cannot be specifically enforced, only damages can be claimed, both second and third. Correct answer is option second, cannot be specifically enforced. Question number 7. Contracts are not specifically enforceable are enumerated in, correct answer is Section 14 of the Specific Relief Act. Section 14 of the Specific Relief Act explains contracts not specifically enforceable. Now let us see the question number 8. Which contract cannot be specifically enforced? A contract which is in its nature determinable, a contract which is so dependent on the personal qualification of the parties that the court cannot enforce a specific performance of its material terms. Option third, both 1 and 2. And option 4, a contract of sale of immovable property. Here the correct answer is option third, that is both first and second. Question number 9. He is a lazy person and wants a touch of the spur. The italicized phrase in the above sentence means, correct answer is wants rousing up. Question number 10. The faculty for myth innate in the human race. Faculty in the above sentence most nearly means, correct answer is capacity. These seats are dash for ladies. The High Court said dash the sentence. Winter has now set dash. The blanks in the above sentence can be most appropriately filled in the following order. Here the correct answer will be apart, aside, in. These seats are set apart for ladies. High Court set aside the sentence. Winter has now set in. Now let us see the question number 12. Pick the list of correctly spelled words. Correct answer is option first, experience, EXPERIENCE. This is correct. Receive, RECEIVE, receive. Acquiesce, ACQUIESCE, acquiesce. So option first is the correct answer. Question number 13. Pick a sentence that is grammatically incorrect. Options are, my requirement is that everyone be punctual. The flock of geese have 30 words. Either the table or the chair needs to be fixed. The Union of Carpenters advocates for better pay. Here the correct answer is option second, because it has been asked the incorrect option. So this second is the flock of geese have 30 words. This is the incorrect statement. That's why it is correct in the question. Now let us see the question number 14. Hardly we entered dash it started pouring. Correct answer is hardly had we entered when it started pouring. Scarcely did I feel asleep dash my phone rang. Correct answer is when. Question number 16. No sooner had I sat down dash the bell rang. The blank can be filled most appropriately by using then, when and lest. Correct answer is then. She has dash sense. There is dash money in my purse. We do not sell dash then 1 kilogram of tea. Correct answer is option third, little some less. We do not sell less than 1 kilogram of tea. She has little sense. There is some money in my purse. Now let us see the question number 18. He said, where is the station? The above sentence can be expressed in indirect speech as, he inquired where the station was. Question number 19. Geeta and dash went to Delhi. Between you and dash he is a liar. Let you and dash work together. Here correct answer is option third. I, me, I. Geeta and I went to Delhi. Between you and me he is a liar. Let you and I work together. I shall meet her without dash delay. Delhi is dash from Mumbai then Surat. He had nothing dash to say. You need to go dash into the matter. Correct answer is option second. Further, farther, further, further. I shall meet her without further delay. Delhi is farther from Mumbai than Surat. He had nothing further to say. You need not go further into the matter. Question number 21. This is a dash edition of the book. This is the dash news. I could not hear the dash part of his speech. Here the correct answer is option third. Later, latest, latter. This is a later edition of the book. This is the latest news. I could not hear the latter part of his speech. Now question number 22nd. The word dilettant means. Correct answer is amateur. Question number 23. He is so weak dash. The above sentence can be completed by most appropriately by adding. Here the correct answer is option 4, that he cannot walk. Question number 24. The thieves dash the police. In his speech he dashed to a great person. He dashed me into lending him my car. The blanks in the above sentences can be filled most appropriately in the following order. Correct answer is option second. Eluded, alluded and deluded. The thieves eluded the police. In his speech, he alluded to a great person. He deluded me into lending him my car. Question number 25. The judge acceded dash my request. The master dispensed dash the service of a servant. Nobody is free dash faults. Here the correct answer is option 4th. To, with, whom, from. The judge acceded to my request. The master dispensed with the services of his servant. Nobody is free from fault.